All right, y'all, me and Morgan both getting ready to leave the house. I am wearing this flannel from Francesca's. I'm kind of on the fence about it. Morgan says it's cute though. I've just got my normal jeans with my Amazon mules. I just got this new bag, which is my gym bag from The Gap. It was on sale. I think I spent like 40 bucks. I'll try to link it for you if it's still available. Got my Stanley cup, got my breakfast sandwich, my iced coffee's on the counter, and we're off.
And I'm going... Is it still going?
Yeah.
I'm going jeans and a t-shirt or a polo because I don't have my work stuff yet.
Yes, he should be getting his work stuff probably next week when you go.
Probably.
There?
Yeah.
He's going up to the corporate office next week, so we're thinking he'll get all of his Under Armour. They wear like Under Armour polos. I haven't told him the name of it. I feel like we'll keep that a secret.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's fine.
I keep mine a secret, so don't want the creepers coming around. But okay. Off to have a good, what's today? Wednesday. All right, y'all, quickly throwing together my lunchbox. So for breakfast, I'm having one of the Red's Egg Witch turkey sausage sandwiches. I believe you can get these other places, but I found them at Costco. So I'm having that for breakfast. And then for lunch, we have some leftover buffalo chicken. This is actually also from Costco. It is good, but honestly, the container cost us like $18, and I just feel like just cook chicken and add buffalo sauce. This was nothing that special, so I probably wouldn't get it again, but it was good. And then I'm going to put down some just like parchment paper on top of that. Throw in a couple of these low-carb tortillas. I also have some butter lettuce that I'm going to throw in there. I've already put some ranch in this little container, classic ranch, and I'm just going to have like a buffalo chicken like snack wrap thing. So that is going to be lunch. I'm going to get this all figured out, and this little container is from Amazon. I will link it for you in the description. It's really for salads, so you can put like all your lettuce down here and then all your toppings in the compartments. You can see this is 2 little compartments, and then that's one larger one, and then the dressing cup does come out. But yeah, I'll link it for you down below. Okay, also just remembered I got these caramel dips. My friend told me about them. So does that say June? Oh, 2023. Okay, we're good. So I'm going to try these. These are 200 calories for the package. And then I have these apples, but they're pretty tiny. So I'm going to pack 2. I don't know if I'll get around to eating this, but it'll be good to have on hand at work for the week. Okay, y'all, I ended up taking my food on the road because I wanted to come to Sonic and get a cherry limeade. I just found out that drinks in the app, if you order on the app, are half price all the time, which is good because at lunch, happy hour hasn't started yet. And I always pay full price plus $1 tip. So it's just like a $3 or $4 thing to get a Coke. It's stupid. Today I got a diet cherry limeade though. These are so good and the calories are amazing. So for 3 ounces of the chicken, it's 90 calories. The tortilla is 45 calories. Lettuce, I don't even count it. And then the Bolthouse Farms ranch, like a tablespoon or 2, 45 calories. Like, not bad. I think I calculated like this whole 2 tacos with ranch is like 350 calories. Well, under that, but I'm trying to like overestimate a little in case I'm wrong, because I didn't like weigh the chicken or anything. But seriously, 350 calories for 2 buffalo chicken tacos. I'm obsessed. And then I got these for 100 calories. 40 calories, I think, for the diet cherry limeade, and like, this is an amazing lunch. Okay, finally off of work. It was a crazy day. Excited to go to Hotworx though, and I just put on that red set, you guys. I'm obsessed. And then I just threw my I change at work, so I just threw my flannel on, so I wouldn't have to walk out in a bra. It's like a longer shirt though. I'm really obsessed. These are so butter soft, you guys. I can't even explain to you how soft these are. The perfect Lulu dupe. The perfect Lulu dupe. I am obsessed. The Butterluxe, which is the ones I'm currently wearing, these leggings are the super high-waisted I think they're 25 inches or 28. I can't remember. I will have everything linked for you down below though. And they did give me 10% off if you buy from their website. So check out that link. And then my code is Louise10 to get 10% off. But you can also buy on Amazon, and I will link the Amazon links for you if you just like that. It's easier. A lot of their stuff is on Prime, so you can get it quick. I'm obsessed. Like, I've never had softer leggings, and that is no lie. Butterluxe was the perfect name for them because they are so buttery and they feel super luxe. So I'm obsessed. I wouldn't say these are very, like, the specific Butterluxe ones aren't, they don't have a lot of compression, but that is fine by me. Especially on days where I'm doing Pilates or yoga or the hot ISO. I don't really need a lot of compression. I just want to be comfortable so I can do all the movements and be really flexible. And yeah, I'm just obsessed, and it just feels so cute. I also love this color for fall. Like, are you kidding? It's so freaking cute. So, show you the whole fit. I also got a really beautiful one in like a dark purple with this like V waist, like a wrap waist. Oh my gosh. Just as soft, such a cute fit. Morgan's obsessed with it, and he loves the tops. This one's more of a bra style, and the purple one is more of like a shirt, I would say. And then I also got this half zip, which is such good quality, you guys. The quality on these items are really superb for the price, and the fact that you can get it on Amazon. We love that. We all know I'm an Amazon queen. So any dupe I love to try, and I really do think these are worth the money because it looks and it feels just like Lulu, and you're paying like a quarter of the price, literally. So give these a try. I'll link the Amazon links and the website if you want to use the 10% off. It's on their website only, but I will link them on Amazon if you want to buy from there. If you just like Prime like I do, you can purchase from there. They also have tons of colors of everything. They have a hot pink set that my friend Danny got recently, and I think I might have to copy her because it is really, really cute, and I just love it. So I'm on the way to Hotworx right now. Gonna get my workout on. Actually got off a little bit early. We just like closed kind of early today because nothing was happening and everyone wanted to leave. So whenever I pull up, I might see what classes are like starting soon and maybe fit in to one of those, just so I'm not hanging out for 30 minutes for no reason. So we'll see, and I'll let you guys know. I'll try to get some footage in there if I can, if there's nobody in my class. And if not, I'll catch up with you guys after the workout. Then we'll go home and make some dinner.
Hi, I'm Maria, your virtual instructor for this hot blast session. We'll be going through a series of tension intervals during this HIIT session. Let's get started with low tension between 1 and 8 for our warm-up. All right, you guys. I'm ready to have a blast with you guys in hot blast. What I love about this workout, it's
All right, y'all, home, and this is what we're making for dinner. So I'll put a video of the box of this. But it's from Costco. It's like a sweet and spicy chicken situation. So we're going to cook the chicken in the oven, and then it has a sauce that you toss it in at the end. Morgan's gonna have jasmine rice, and I'm gonna have this riced cauliflower stir fry, also from Costco. So I'm gonna have the whole bag, which is about 180 calories. Well, I think I'm gonna have the whole bag. We'll see how much I feel like I want. But it says there's 13 servings per container. There's 4 bags in here, so 2 bags or 3 servings, 3 servings per bag would be 12 servings. It says there's 13, so it's about 60 calories times 3 servings per bag, which is 180. So that's how I'm getting that calculation. And I did take a video of this, so I don't remember off the top of my head the cooking instructions, but me and my mom split the box, so I just let her take the box with her. And yeah, I'll show you how it turns out. Y'all, finished product. I did the whole bag of cauliflower rice. It's pretty thin on this big bowl. These are from Walmart, by the way. I always get asked about these. Did some of the chicken. Morgan, how is it? He just took his first bite.
Really good.
Really good?
Mm-hmm.
Heck yeah.
Yeah. I was saying, not just to say the chicken's good, but sometimes you like get it at like a Chinese restaurant, takeout or whatever, and sometimes the chicken can be like soggy. This like has a good like crisp to like the ends and like I guess breading or whatever.
Yeah, it crisped up really great in the oven, and then you just toss it in the sauce at the end. It's delicious. It is spicy, but not overly spicy. It kind of tastes like a mix of orange chicken and like sweet and sour chicken, wouldn't you say? Mm-hmm. Or like General Tso's, yeah.
I'll say for someone that loves spicy stuff, I wouldn't consider it spicy. Somebody,
I think it's got a little spice.
A little kick, so
yeah, it's got a little kick, but it's not overwhelming. It's delicious. And this cauliflower rice is good. The only thing I added was a little bit of soy sauce in the pan once it was like mostly cooked. Just cooked it on medium, and then once it was all soft, I turned it up to high and just kind of pan fried it until all the liquid was gone. Then I added in some soy sauce. That was pretty much it. So we're gonna eat, and I'll see y'all if I have anything for dessert.